fighting out of the blue corner, really needing no introduction the world over, and truly representing some of the finest boxing skills our sport has ever seen. Wearing black trunks with gold trim, fighting out of Las Vegas, Nevada, he weighed in at a ready 146 pounds. A veteran of 24 world title bouts, he is undefeated in his 18-year campaign with a record of 47 wins, no losses, 26 wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the pound-for-pound great and the pay-per-view king, boxing's future Hall of Famer.
Man, I hope. Come on, Conor, man. I hope Conor kicks this nigga in the face, nigga. In the middle of the match, nigga. Can't believe I bought this shit, nigga. Man, fuck this, nigga. I lost all my money. Man, this shit about to be boring as fuck. Fuck this. Man, fuck all this. Man, fuck this. Man, oh, shit, nigga. Who the fuck is this nigga? Oh, who is the 7-foot-tall nigga? Oh, shit, nigga, the Undertaker, nigga. Oh, this shit about to get litty, dog. Oh, shit. What up, Undertaker, nigga? Oh, my nigga. Hey, Undertaker, throw this nigga in the casket. And you know what? Set that motherfucker on fire, nigga. Yeah! Let's go, Undertaker, nigga. You the real undefeated nigga. Halloween Havoc, nigga. WrestleMania, nigga, 98, nigga. SummerSlam 2002, nigga. Royal Rumble 1995, nigga. Come on, let's go, Undertaker, nigga. Beat this motherfucker's ass, nigga. Put the nigga in the rock bottom combination into the choke slam, nigga. Suplex City, nigga. Figure 4 leg lock, nigga. $1 million dream, nigga. Sweet chin music, this nigga. I ain't stupid, nigga. I ain't stupid, nigga. You ain't gon' fool me again, nigga. I ain't buying your shit, nigga.